Okay, we have camera A, we can't have camera B. Sally sold seashells down by the seashore. Hi, my name is Bill Conrad, and in this short video, we're going to look at 3 podcast microphones and see which one best helps create clear sound and how the right microphone for you can do the same. My story begins when I returned from my last tour in Afghanistan. I finally had time to create my podcast, but one of the first challenges I had encountered was sibilance and plosives. You might ask, what is a plosive? It's the air from your mouth hitting the mic. It's the pa, pa, pa. So what are sibilants? It's the intense sounds such as the sa in Sally sold seashells down by the seashore. With the popularity and expansion of podcasting, there are many microphones to choose from. I currently use the Heil PR40 with a windscreen. It sells for about $400. It was my very first microphone, actually my first expensive microphone I got 10 years ago. So let me show you 2 other microphones that are very good for the price. The other mics are going to listen to and look at are the Shure SM58 XLR dynamic microphone. It's got a pop filter built inside and sells for about $109. It's a very good rugged microphone that musicians used, but they are also excellent for podcasting. And finally, we're going to look at the DJI Mic Minis, which sell for around $80 and works with the camera as well as your iPhone. And it's a condenser mic with a omnidirectional pattern. Now let's listen to the 3 microphones. First, the Heil PR40. Sally sold seashells down by the seashore. Pa, pa, pa. This is the Heil PR40. Second, we're going to look at the Shure SM58 microphone. Sally sold seashells down by the seashore. Pa, pa, pa. This is the Shure SM58. And finally, we're going to look at the DJI Mini. Sally sold seashells down by the seashore. This is recorded on the Mini, and you can walk around with it, and you can hook it into your iPhone or your camera. So it's a really great mic. So the bottom line is, which mic do you like? Please leave your comments below. And remember, Sally sold seashells down by the seashore.